Hello angels and welcome back to my
Okay,
channel.
baby
Mama Savvy, I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. Which you can at Royal Frugal get in Baby Savvy ready for preschool. I did some last minute shopping when it came to all with me, as well as a mini little get ready with me DIY little moment for Baby Savvy's first day of preschool. So if you want to get into this content with me and see how cute Baby Savvy is, then go ahead and keep on watching.
What are you gonna do today?
Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. So I ended up procrastinating on half of Baby Savvy outfit and had to run to the stores last minute. And when I do this, I kind of just try to buy things that I can fit in my hand, just to try to save money that way. So I did that at Burlington Coat Factory, only buying what I can fit in hand. And then I went to the dollar store, which is like my favorite place on earth.
Okay, so here's a quick mini haul of what I got from the Dollar Tree and Burlington's. I got these sponges. They're like real, like almost disposable, like for Baby Savvy. So I like to get those. I got this for some other craft activity, black canvas. I've never really seen that like that, so interesting. These are for the socks that I'm going to DIY for Baby Savvy. Please don't pay attention to my nails. They're going to get done. And then these are some tools I'm going to do something special with. And I got these hair supplies. All this stuff is $1.25, so save me a trip to the beauty supply store. And these are from Burlington's, which also saved me a trip from the beauty supply store. These are the socks, $8.99. Look, I'm not telling you guys any prices for the Burlington stuff, $2.99. So I mean, giving gas saved me a trip to the beauty supply store. I don't have to waste gas to go there, and $2.99, not bad. For $8.99 for the socks, the 15 pack. Now when y'all see the outfit, you would understand why I got this t-shirt, $7.99 for Baby Savvy. It is I had to match some energy that was given to me, so that's that. I got me a shirt to wear tomorrow. Well, a sweatshirt. It's pretty much sweatshirt weather, y'all, but extra large because I just want to be comfy tomorrow. It ain't about me. I got a nice little cup for Baby Savvy, $5.99. It's crazy because I was looking for cups, and Target got cups for little kids for like $12.90, 14, 16. Okay, and I got some nice little shoes, you know, can't let y'all know what all I'm wearing, but yeah, what else? One more thing. Oh yeah, just to start getting into the fall festive, feels. Sorry, you have to put the camera down for this one. I got Be Blessed. Oh, it's backwards. Be Blessed. Cute. Okay, so I ended up sewing some other fabric I had in the dollar store. Little jeweled fabric to the socks. The key is to really leave the thread like as loose as possible. So don't pull it like tight as you're sewing if you do sew. If you don't sew, there's this stuff called fabric glue that works great, and this is made for flexible, stretchable fabric glue. I don't think I had enough time to let that glue adhere to the socks. I didn't really want to deal with it. I just find it easier just to sew. So I did sew it and wash the fabric together so it will look like little tutus for her socks. And you guys will see the outfit tomorrow as it comes together. If you don't want to use the glue or the sewing, you can also get some tape. I think it's like the iron-on tape. I'm sorry, I don't have any examples of what I'm talking about, but there is other ways to achieve this, but sewing just was the simplest for me. I know it's not going to come off her sock. Yeah, so excited. Okay, Baby Savvy. This is Baby Savvy's first day of preschool outfit. The socks came out so cute. Are you ready for school, Baby Savvy?
Yeah.
What are you going to do today?
Play with kids.
Play with kids? Are you excited?
Yeah.
So the skirt is actually from Walmart. I had to hem it up because my baby ain't got no waist like her mama. And then the shirt paired nice with the socks and the shoes. We kind of coordinated. So cute.
Oh, and one last thing I forgot to mention you all, the sweater that I really like because it has rockets and planets and stuff, super cute. And they had a bunch of stuff like this. It was from the children's place. So go ahead and check them out for all of your school, uniform needs. But I appreciate you all watching and watching to the very end. I'm going to wrap this video up. Like I said, it's short and sweet to the point. As always, I pray you all continue to walk in your very blessed life. Be blessed.